What do you think that is? More Legos to make more stuff with.
Different colors and different shapes.
Yep, make sure that zipper isn't locked, sweetie. Can you get it, love? Sometimes they put like one of those little tag things on them. So that people can't just open them up and take Legos out.
Take the paper and put it in the recycling bin, please.
You're welcome, sweet pea. Go put that in the recycle bin. Yeah.
Look, you can make something with wheels now.
Can he clip the last one on, Daddy?
Kind of hard to get.
Oh.
You want to do it again?
It won't really come off. There you go.
Now you can make a car or a train.
Or a truck.
Yeah. And they even have ones that are kind of the color of Thomas, don't they?